I think the way they've built relationships and carried them forward is something is difficult in today's generation.
अरे कालबा देवी में तो खाली आप लोग 2-3 एजेंट ही है अच्छे और बड़े. I overheard that.
अच्छा.
And then after that, year on year, I worked so hard that I started getting certificate of merit, certificate of excellency from all the domestic airlines.
But you know, Sadhbir, Daddy said something very special for you. He said, when in COVID, when a man like him, who never gave up, decided, chal yaar, chhod de, and you held the horses straight. Some stories are meant to be told, but they are soulful stories between father and son. So this Father's Day, and all thanks to Excel Software, Mr. Mufi, it's happening as a journey which has stood the test of time. Gary Narula started his career way back in the 80s. But what's most important is Pyramid Travels has been an institution that has made careers, that has made people. And the beauty is, from the aviation to the travel industry, people acknowledge him as, in a way, a career maker.
I had the personal experience of coming across all the good people of the trade. I got to learn a lot from them. I must give credit to Sadhbir also, because when COVID time, the hospitality and the travel industry was badly hit.
Totally.
So once I told Sadhbir also, चल बंद कर यार, तू खत्म कर ट्रैवल कंपनी, बाद में जब चालू होगा करेंगे. But he told me, Pop, let me do it my way.
आपका ही बेटा है ना सर.
He retained it and I praised him for that. जब कोविड खुल गया, so then the whole travel industry was struggling for staff and we had them all.
Superb. Sir, you just mentioned to me that Sadhbir said, back off dad, I'm just figuring this whole thing out on my own.
Yeah.
कभी आपको ऐसे लगा कि यार ये बेटा को ज्यादा ही बोल रहा है? नहीं.
इसके लिए नहीं लगा, क्योंकि he had done a lot of study. And he was always very confident. From his childhood only I've been listening to what I have to do. So goddamn, you do what you want to. तेरे को छोड़ दिया मैं, तू जो करना कर.
What is that one thing that really irritates you about dad?
Many things, but conservative approach.
हाँ, ये conservative है.
है, बहुत conservative approach है.
All the money in my life I made,
जी.
but I couldn't get a chance to spend it.
क्यों नहीं?
They are only spending.
It's not our fault. You gave us that platform.
Exactly. You've been
So thank you for it.